Today, everything is digital. We have too many megapixels. But I found something special. This is Yashica Mat 124G. It's not just an old camera. This one is brand new. It was made 50 years ago and no one has ever used it. It has been waiting half a century for its first roll of film. There are no screens here, no menu, and no need for firmware update. Just metal and glass. The G in the name stands for the gold. It has gold part inside to help measure the light. When you look down into the viewfinder, the world looks different. You are not just taking a picture, you are watching the life. This 80mm lens is famous for a reason. It makes light look soft and beautiful. Something digital cameras can't always do. With 120 film, you only get 12 photos, only 12 chance to tell a story. And this camera makes you slow down. You check the light and look at good composition. You wait for the right emotion. And when you finally click the shutter, it's very quiet. It's the sound of a moment staying still forever. For me, the photographer is about finding the truth. And this Yashica is the perfect tool for that. It's simple, it's real, and it's finally ready to work. Follow me and stay tuned to see what this 50 years old lens can do. Bye.